All right, today is March 18th, 2016, and me and my boy and my buddy Austin are out on the water, and we're not having much luck, but we're having fun. Here's Austin over here, and then we got some pelicans here that keep trying to get our bait. Here, hold on. Here's Christian. He's catching them a tan, if nothing else. He's caught him a couple little bait fish. I'm gonna throw a little piece of.
Here I got a little fisher. Oh no, I don't. It's in my line. Not bad.
We got these seagulls here that have been following us around. Every time we cast out there, they want to get our bait. So we're gonna draw them in a little closer here. So they're actually pretty cool. All right, I'm going to show you what we're talking about with the seagulls. Right there. And they're all over the place. All right, folks, signing off.